Hi, this is Stan Parrish, and you're watching Get-InLine TV. Hi, I'm Stan Parrish, President of Get-InLine General Contracting. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found the information beneficial, I hope that you'll click on the like button to give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. Also, go to our website at getinline.com to get more information about our company and the services we provide. Thanks again for visiting our channel, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.